We know that you guys love our Rocket Nano drives, so I got a bunch of new colors to show you guys. Let's get into it. Hi there everyone, this is Mike from SABRENT, and here on this channel we talk about tech and tech related stuff. So hit that subscribe button if that's what you're into. But today I have 12 terabytes worth of Rocket Nanos, and these come in a whole bunch of new colors. So if you don't know, the Rocket Nano is a fast but very small external SSD. But today I'm going to show you a whole bunch of new colors that these will come in. So let's just get unboxing. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a whole bunch of colors. So we've got blue, pink, red, gray, black, and gold. So let's unbox one and then I'll show you what all the other colors look like, because they look incredible and trust me, you will love them. So let's get rid of those. And here is the blue one. So I can't wait to have a look at this because I do love the color blue. And we'll just peel the sleeve off and then open it up, and fantastic packaging as always from SABRENT. And yeah, it still shocks me at how small this thing is. I just can't believe that there's 2 terabytes in this thing, and we've got a USB Type-C connection, and this allows for up to 1000 megabytes per second transfer speeds with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 USB slot. And then if we open up this section, we have a USB-C to USB-A cable, as well as a Thunderbolt cable, so USB-C to USB-C, just so that you can maximize the speeds out of this drive. And here are all of the colors, and oh my god, they look so nice. Like, I'm a little bit excited because it is so strange even to see a manufacturer give this many color options, and with so many size options as well. So in terms of the colors, first of all, you get gold, black, silver, red, pink, and blue. And in terms of the size configurations, you can go all the way down from 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, or 2 terabytes being the maximum storage. And here we've got all 2 terabytes. So as I mentioned before, these deliver really fast speeds up to 1000 megabytes per second using the USB Type-C connector. And I've also brought in some props to sort of show you the size. So first of all, we've got the Apple AirPods, and let's just grab one of them. And as you can see, it is just tiny, like absolutely ridiculous in terms of the size. It is just so small. And then if we grab an Apple AirTag, for example, as you can see, it's basically the size of 2 Apple AirTags, and even the thickness, it's probably again about maybe 1.5 the AirTag thickness. And just remember, this is a 2 terabyte drive. And then in terms of an SD card, as you can see, it's basically the size of 2 SD cards, which again is, it's just crazy to think that there's this amount of storage in this package. It is, yeah, it is really, really cool. As you can see, I'm really chuffed with these products because the Rocket Nano is just really reliable, and a lot of you guys out there comment about how good this drive is with your daily workflow. And this is capable of, you know, video editing, productivity tasks, photo editing, you name it. This drive can do it in such a small package. And this is because the thermal dissipation is fantastic because of its solid aluminium structure, and also because of that Type-C connection that allows for 1000 megabytes per second transfer speeds. You're going to be absolutely fine throwing anything at it. And the fact that we give you 2 cables so that you can use it with pretty much any device that you need it with, you're not going to be faffing around having to buy the right cable because your drive doesn't come with it. Well, we've included it, and this makes it the perfect travel companion or just on your desk. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to pick up the Rocket Nano for your setup, and I really do recommend it just because it's really small, really fast, and obviously reliable, and it comes with everything that you need. And there isn't a drive out there that looks as nice as this does, especially in all of these colors. And it works with pretty much anything you plug it into, Windows, Mac, iPad OS even, it works perfectly with it. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, then please hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, then please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. And check out the links in the description if you want to pick up one of these new Rocket Nanos. Anyway, look after yourselves and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Damn, why don't iPhones come in some of these colours? Like, seriously, they are absolutely banging. Also, if you're new to this channel, then please hit that like... What? No? Hit that subscribe button. Seriously, how tiny are these things? Like, I feel like I could swallow one. Probably shouldn't. Anyway.